Technology and systems are essential, but long-term performance ultimately comes down to people. At Mitotec, leadership focuses on alignment, ensuring that quality, engineering, production, and customer support operate as one integrated system. This alignment allows decisions to be made quickly, problems to be solved collaboratively, and improvements to be implemented across the entire organization. Our leadership approach is rooted in operational understanding. Decisions are guided by what creates stability on the production floor, consistency in process execution, and reliability for our customers. Rather than reacting to challenges after they occur, we focus on building systems and teams that prevent issues before they impact production. That mindset extends throughout the organization. Every team member understands how their role contributes to overall performance, from engineering and setup to inspection and delivery. Mitotec's culture is guided by 5 core values: adaptable, driven, reliable, creative, and thorough. These values are not statements on a wall. They shape daily decisions, from how programs are launched to how improvements are implemented. Experienced machinists, engineers, and quality professionals work side by side, sharing knowledge and supporting one another to maintain a disciplined, solutions-focused environment. Training, mentorship, and collaboration help ensure that expertise is continuously developed and passed on, strengthening both individual performance and organizational capability. Accountability and ownership are central to how work gets done. Teams are empowered to identify opportunities, improve processes, and maintain the standards customers depend on. Because in precision manufacturing, consistency is not created by equipment alone. It is created by people who understand the process and take pride in executing it correctly. The result is a culture focused on stability, continuous improvement, and long-term partnership. Because reliable manufacturing performance begins with aligned teams, shared responsibility, and people committed to doing the work the right way, every time.